Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, let's talk about how to apply for a joint Lendingclub loan. If you want to strengthen your loan application, Lendingclub allows you to apply jointly with another person, often called a co-borrower. This can improve your chances of approval and may even secure you a low interest rate if the co-borrower has strong credit and income. To start, log into your Lendingclub platform, either on the mobile app or the website, and once you're logged in using your credentials, select Apply for a Loan. Now, during the application, you're going to see the option to add a co-borrower. You'll need to provide their personal details, including income, employment, and of course their social security number, just as you did for yourself. Now, both applicants' credit reports will be reviewed, and the combined financial profile will determine the terms that you are offered. If approved, both borrowers are equally responsible for repayments. That means that any missed or late payments will affect both credit scores. However, if you both manage the loan responsibly, it can help to build positive credit history for each of you. Joint loans can be especially useful for couples or family members looking to borrow together, but to make sure that you trust your co-borrower before committing, since of course both parties share equal legal responsibilities if anything goes wrong. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. So hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.